What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. And yes, it's the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new blessings, new methods, and giveaways, you will be the first one to be notified. You will be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. Yeah, free. Free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here. King Hussle X1L, no rags, just riches. King Hussle crazy reactions. The Hussle family, turn motivation into memes. Dog pound exotic pups. Goosebumps horror stories. Sleeping with the rain. Milwaukee made King Hussle 2.0, and King Hussle Live. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video. Make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. What to do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, my real Hussle Nation Empire family members, and we are back at it again with the gems. I'm back at it again with the sauce. You know I'm back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you're tired of being a zero, you're ready to be your family hero. Listen up, take a seat, get your pen, get your notepad, and let's get to these gems because I got some information that's going to help you win, all right? And in today's video, we're going to be talking about a place that's giving out $250,000, $1 million, and a quarter million to $1 million in business funding with no FICOs required or collateral required. All right, now they're helping out a lot of people. And in today's video is going to be about Horizon Business Funding. Yes, horizonbusinessfunding.com is their website, and they are giving out the bag to new small startup businesses. All right, so in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys how you can properly structure yourself, your business in a way so you can get business funded, because a lot of people don't understand how to get funding for their business. A lot of people don't understand the requirements of a properly structured business. And so today I'm gonna drop gems for y'all, just gonna help y'all win. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so when it comes to business funding, a lot of people feel as if they need to utilize their personal credit as a personal guarantor towards their business credit to start getting major funding, which is not true. You can build your business credit from the ground up without using your personal credit. But it's a lot of people that want business funding fast, and by you being able to use your personal credit as a personal guarantor towards your business, they do that. And all that's saying is, if anything was to happen with this business, your personal credit, you will be real. Have ownership of this debt that's going on with this business. You'll be reliable on this debt. So a lot of people do that because a lot of people actually have business plans, business goals, business blueprints to make money. It's a lot of people who don't. So when it comes to getting any loan, so let's say you are somebody that's going to utilize your personal credit as a personal guarantor towards your business. You got to understand this. When it comes to getting any loan, credit card, line of credit, they're going to check the debt, payment history, and the age on your credit report and how much money do you make, which is the debt to income ratio. A lot of people don't have enough debt on their credit report, and the debt that people do have is bad debt. It's not good debt. They're not making payments on any of this debt that's being reported on their accounts. You got 3 FICOs. You got TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, 3 different credit scores. Different places, different accounts reports to different FICOs. So your car note might report to your TransUnion, your mortgage loan might report to your Equifax, and miscellaneous accounts might report to your TransUnion. But it's all calculated into one number, which is your overall debt on your credit profile. And this is what people fail to realize. So when it comes to debt, a lot of people are afraid of debt. A lot of people don't want debt. A lot of people don't want to owe anybody. And debt, and they want you to believe that. They want you to feel like the least debt that you have is the best. I, once upon a time, was the exact same person. Tried to dispute all these accounts off my credit report, get my debt down to 0, so I don't have to owe anybody. Then I woke up, did my research, started learning, and I said, okay, that's how the rich is getting rich, off of debt. The more debt that you have on your credit report that you can show that you can pay off and pay down is how you get more funding for your person or your business. because there's a lot of people out there that might have had previous accounts that they paid off that helped their credit score get to the higher 6s or the 7s or the close to the 8s, but they still don't have any debt, and they're still not getting approved for loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. And they confused, like, I got a good credit score. Why am I getting approved? Your credit score alone is not what's going to get you approved for a loan, credit card, line of credit. They really don't care about that number. They want to see how good you can manage money right now. That number means nothing. That's why they have trade lines, credit builder trade lines, and they have primary trade lines. So this is what's going to build your credit and show these lenders and these banks and these bureaus that you can manage money, and it's showing on paper. That's what matters. So people be like, oh, Hussle, I got a 750 credit score, still got denied. I got still got denied. Okay, what's your debt? $3,000. Duh, right there. So you're supposed to have 5 primary trade lines on your credit score, and that's a line of credit, revolving, installment, mortgage, and auto. Most people don't got those 5 primary trade lines. Most people don't got no auto loan. Most people don't got mortgage loans. Most people don't got line of credits. Most people don't got no way to get a loan because they don't got a job. So they just ain't got none of that. Nothing. Then people feel like, oh, I got a cell phone bill. That's not nothing major. So you got places, you got student loans. People who have student loans. Because you got to understand this right here also. A lot of people, everybody credit profile, everybody credit situation is not the same. Everybody didn't graduate high school and go to college. Everybody didn't graduate high school and get a car. Everybody didn't graduate high school, and everybody's situation is different. So for people who graduated high school and got student loans, you probably got $50,000, $60,000 being reported on your student loans if you didn't pay it off. More than likely, you didn't. A lot of people does not pay off their student loans. But that's debt that's on your credit report. So if you got $60,000 in student loans from your credit, student loans that's being reported to your credit report, you got $60,000 in debt on your credit profile, which is a $60,000 head start. Because how is that a head start? Because, like I said, 3 FICOs, each one reports different accounts. It's different accounts. So and it's different accounts, but it all reports as one. So once you add more trade lines or more accounts, that's going to add to that one number. And depending on the payment history, is going to be the payment history on that one number. And that's what people don't understand. So adding trade lines to your credit report, making the payments on those trade lines will boost everything. So you got sites like creditstrong.com that give you $10,000 in installment loans. Magnum Credit, which is powered by Credit Strong, will give you $30,000. You got the the kickoffs. You got places like, you got banks that give, credit unions that give credit builder loans. Insight Credit Union, DCU, Credit Ninja, Bank of America. There's so many different places that get those type of credit builder loans. You got secured loans, secured credit cards where you're using your own money as collateral, and those report as primary trade lines. So let's say you got $50,000 in student loan debt or debt being reported on your credit report in general. $10,000 from creditstrong.com, that's $60,000. $30,000 from Magna Credit, that's $90,000. You get you a $10,000 credit builder loan, that's $100,000. Now you got sites that give primary trade lines that you can buy primary trade lines from. You got unique primary trade lines. You got trade lines with Gamba, but trade lines with Gamba right now is sold out. We wiped through them. They're a little cheaper than unique primary trade lines, but both our sites are good. So just be on the lookout for more trade lines from trade lines with Gamba. But those sites will give you either you can buy them separately or you can buy package deals that will give you all 5 primary trade lines. You can get package deals from anywhere from $250,000 to $500,000 on unique primary trade lines, or you can buy them separately for their own separate price, whichever trade lines that you need. Then you have AU accounts, which is authorized users, which is credit card accounts that you can buy to report to your credit report. You won't physically get the card, but it'll report as if you do when you're making payments on time. Trade line supply has accounts from $1,000 to $100,000 that you can buy. So let's say you at roughly $100,000. Then you go to unique primary trade lines. You get your $300,000 account, so now you have $400,000. Then you go on trade line supply and get you a $50,000 credit card account. So now you at roughly, $450,000 in debt being reported on your credit report with good payment history, age, and debt on your credit report. So you got 450,000, good payment history and age that they see. So now it's showing that you can manage a lump sum of money, that you're good at it. Now, when it comes to the pay stubs and things like that, there's a lot of people out there that are self-employed 1099 contractors. So you basically pay yourself. So however much that you pay, there's places like PDF Filler that can generate your ADP payroll provider that can generate your own bank statements and pay stubs. And all right, so for all my self-employed 1099 contractors, that's a place for you to go to get your own documents. And now your credit profile looks better. Now you went from a $4,000 debt credit profile to a $450,000 credit profile. You're going to be able to get any and every loan that you want to get with your new small startup business that fast because of that debt. Now, if you don't want to spend all that money, because like I said, trade lines ain't free. Nothing in life is free. Everything costs. If you don't want to spend that much, you can always build your business credit from the ground up. And that's getting your LLC, getting your EIN number, getting a business bank account, checking the savings with a smaller bank or credit union, getting your Dun & Bradstreet, getting your NAV account, getting your NAV credit builder trade line. Then you get net 30s, which is business trade lines that give you 30 days to pay them off in a report. CreditStrong.com has a business trade line that reports to every other business credit FICO than the Paydex, so your PayNet and all them other ones. So that'll build every single credit score but your Paydex. Net 30s will build your Paydex. So that's all you really need right there in a NAV credit builder. Once you got that, you'll get a Paydex score over 80 or better, which is a good liability for business funding. And now you can start getting major funds, major loans. Make sure you're depositing funds into your business bank account on a regular basis. Some people even make their deposit their job checks into their business bank account. Some people take portions out of their job checks and put it into their business bank account. Everybody's situation is different. So once you do all that, then you go to horizonbusinessfunding.com, right? So at horizonbusiness.com, they have business capital fast and easy for almost any and everybody. So they got business term loans for 5 to 10 year terms, no minimum FICO or collateral required. All right, so no FICO, no minimum FICO. You can have the worst credit of the worst and you still get approved. All right, loans up to $250,000 and you ain't got to put up nothing. No money required, nothing. All right, so approval up to 24 hours, 48 hours, so you get fast approval. Monthly payment program can also be used to consolidate existing loans. All right, so if you already got loans, you can consolidate that. Then they got unsecured working capital. Not secured, unsecured, which means you're not putting up your own money. So 6 to 24 month terms, no minimum FICO required, or collateral required. Working capital up to $1 million. Approval in 1 to 8 hours, very fast. Minimal paperwork required. Get funds the same day. Then they got the business line, credit line, so 12 to 18 months. Minimum FICO on that is 650, which is easy. No collateral required. Lines up to $250,000. Approval within 24 hours. Draw funds when needed. No origination fees. All right, so you cannot go wrong. You cannot beat that. So go make sure you guys are going to check out horizonbusinessfunding.com. They are giving out the bag up to $250,000, depending on if you want to get a business term loan or you want to get an unsecured working capital loan. With the capital loan, you'll get up to $1 million. With the term loan, you get up to $250,000. Funding as little as 1 to 2 days with the term loans. Funding as little as 1 to 8 hours with the working capital loans. And you can start investing, paying your employees, doing the things that you need to do to grow your business as an entrepreneur, right? So make sure you guys are tapping in with horizonbusinessfunding.com. That's the website, horizonbusinessfunding.com. .com. I'll say it one more time. Be like, what's the website? Why ain't put the link down there? Sometimes I like to put people in the position to have to do their own research. Like, if everybody keep handicapping y'all, like putting links down at the bottom, and y'all not doing your own research, then y'all really never learn anything, because you might go search that, and a lot of more things will pop up which will make you interested in watching and learning and clicking, and then you start to learn more things. And see, that's why I do certain things the way I do it. Like, I'm not going to handicap anybody. I want people to start using their common sense, their brains, their resources, their fingers, like the things that God gave them, so they can be successful, right? So make sure you guys are tapping in with Horizon Business Funding. With that being said, man, go get the bag. Don't be sad, and let's get to it. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there would be no me. You motivate me keep going. You motivate me keep dropping this sauce, and you motivate me keep you entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime one-on-one limited gems is $1,000, really $1,200, but for limited time only, I'm doing it for $350. 5 questions, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $350 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot, let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. No screenshot, no reply, no 21 questions, and please do not yo me. Also, make sure y'all tapping in with y'all with these in-person limited gems lessons, all right? $6,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. Come meet me in Houston, Texas. But if I have to come out to the state to you, it's going to be $7,500. $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person, and you have to pay for my flight and my hotel. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. Also, make sure y'all getting y'all credit repair lessons, hands on. I will help you in. We're gonna be side by side, cleaning, building, and repairing, and getting you established in the credit world. All right, so trade lines are not free, so you're not getting no free trade lines. I'm not paying for your trade lines for you. I have to do all the hard work. Like, I literally got to call bureaus, mail in letters, do this and do that. And today, like round 1, round 2, like different rounds of letters and things like that. So give you my special trade lines. And so y'all got to understand, I'm going to build your credit, clean your credit, and you're going to do it with me. It's a mentorship, $2,500 plus other costs of trade lines and all like that. All right, so make sure you're tapping in on that. Also, make sure y'all tapping in with the Telegram's New Age Credit Repair and the Millionaire Network. Run them bands up, run that cash up, run that credit up. Make sure y'all still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women. We're going to do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, traveling, networking, and having fun. So you sound like you're ready to have fun, get behind this camera, do some skits, blogs, some movies, some music videos, modeling, whatever. DM me, let me see what you got. We're going to go from there. Make sure y'all tap into my blog channels, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Live, Milwaukee Made, King Hussle No Rags is Riches. Make sure you go follow my reaction channel, King Hussle Crazy Reactions. We going crazy over there. Make sure you go follow my clothing brand, Bouscular Department on IG. That's Hussle Department in French. Dropping new joggers real soon, apparel and kids apparel. Make sure you go follow my main IG, King Hussle, for all your credit gems. Or this one right here, clearly. Make sure you go follow my music channel, King Hussle X1M, dropping new mixtape. I just dropped a new mixtape, Hustle and Flow, and a new single, Miss Coleman. Go like, share, comment, subscribe on all the music, all the mixtapes, everything over there. Go run the views, comments, and the likes up. Make sure you follow my horror story channel, my YouTube automation channel, Goosebumps Horror Stories. Make sure you follow my other YouTube automation channel, Sleeping with the Rain, my meditation and rain channel. And make sure y'all stay tapped in. Make sure y'all ready to win, man. It's your boy, King Hussle. We only thing over here is elevating. Make sure y'all getting them lessons before they go back to 1,200 too, because I promise y'all, people is really turning up their life off these lessons for $350. So don't miss out on this opportunity. So with that being said, it's your boy, King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson or video. Peace.